Division of Service Canada. How can I help you?
Hi, my name is Vikram. I just got a call about something wrong with my social insurance number.
Alright, could you please turn off the speaker of your phone so that I can hear you well?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, I can hear you now. How you spell your first and last name?
Bikram Singh. B as in brother, I as in important, K as in kite, R as in Russia, A as in apple, M as in mango. Then Singh.
And your last name?
Singh. S as in Sam, I as in ink, N as in Nancy, G as in gun, H as in Henry.
Alright, just give me a moment, Mr. Singh, while I'm pulling up your file in front of me. Till the time you just grab a pen and a piece of paper so that you can write down my name and my badge ID, okay?
Okay.
Once you get ready with pen and paper, do let me know so I'll give you the information.
I'm ready. You can tell me.
Alright, so write down my name is Officer Alice Will.
Alice Brown.
It's Will, W-I-L.
W-L. Okay, Alice Will. Okay.
And my badge ID is 417J2741.
417J2741. Correct?
Yes. You got my name and my badge ID?
Yeah.
Could you please repeat it?
417J271. There's a lot of noise there, ma'am.
And could you please repeat my name as well?
Alice Will.
And could you please repeat my badge ID?
417J271.
Perfect. So now before we proceed further,
Yeah?
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but there's so much of background noise there.
Goodbye.
Hello, I can hear you. Hello.
Goodbye. You are just wasting my time, okay?
अरे मैडम ये मैडम का ना बंद करो क्यों करते हो ये? She ran away 1 second.